Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and in this video I'm going to update the cable situation as we've been following this pair for some time. Main idea is we are looking for buys, and those buys are coming basically since the last divergence, bullish divergence we saw on the weekly chart. Then the pair started forming a possible and potential hidden divergence, which is still not there, and we're in fact very close to creating here a convergence. Okay, so in order for this hidden, of course, to be confirmed, we need to see the lower time frames providing us with bearish divergences, but that's not yet the case, which means we can still expect for this thing to continue higher. Besides that, dropping now to the daily chart, we can see that most recent high, swing high here, was broken. We do see momentum, we do see a trend line and a breakout of this channel. All that is suggesting only one thing: buy pullbacks. Okay, and that perfectly fits with the idea of the weekly chart, where we need to see divergence being formed in order to get the pullbacks. So what do we do here? We drop to the lower time frames, and as you can see on the 4-hour chart, the price is strictly following this trend line so far. This low being respected, and the most recent swing also being respected. Well, this one respected with a false break, I mean. 38.2 in place, holding the price right above it. Momentum on the last push up, hidden divergence turning into continuing divergence now. Okay, so bullish from every single direction. Now, only because we are at this very nice resistance level, I am going to trade this setup more conservatively, which means we have two options. If you want to be trading with the double trend line principle, which by the way you can check out the details of this strategy with the card above the video, you can go ahead and do so once we get a breakout above this trend line. If you want to do it a bit more conservative, then you need to wait for the most recent high to be broken, which in that situation is this one, and that's approximately 130, 160 or so. Okay, quick tip: when you are not sure what to do, like in this case, the risk reward ratio doesn't really make sense to wait for the conservative idea. We need to do one of the two things: either let it break above, pull back, and then continuation. Okay, if we want to be conservative, or if you're trading, let's say 1% risk of your account, you split that to 2. So basically you're going to get 0.5 for 2 positions. First entry, attack aggressively the trend line breakout. Second entry, if you get something like this, you can go ahead and attack it as well. Of course, we need to pay attention to the most recent swing high here, as because if the price breaks above it, we're possibly going to enter, well, bearish divergence territory. So that's about the cable. I hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to hear your comments, guys. Thank you for watching.